Hello students, we are doing chapter number 13 practical geometry exercise 13. In last video we did till question number 6 construction and today we will start from question number 7. Construct a triangle PQR given that PQ is 3 cm, QR 5.5 cm and angle PQR is 60 degree. So first draw a rough diagram. Always remember angle you have to keep on the baseline if angle is given. So here angle Q is given because Q is in center. Q is given, so we'll keep Q on the baseline. We will keep PQ as a base or QR. So I have taken QR as a baseline. So first we'll draw 5.5 centimeter. Then name out it. After this on Q we have to construct 60 degree angle. So for construction of angle we will use here compass. So first semicircle, and wherever this semicircle will touch this line, from there first arc is the 60 degree. So this is 60 degree angle. Draw a line passing through this point, and then this PQ is 3 centimeter. It means we have to take 3 centimeter distance in our compass. And then from Q put an arc of 3 centimeter. And this point, wherever this arc will cut, that is point P, that we have to join to R. Right measurement, this angle was 60 degree, this PQ was 3 centimeter. Next question number 8, construct a triangle DEF such that DE is 5 centimeter, DF is 3 centimeter, angle EDF means this angle D is 90 degree. So here also same thing, this line DE or DF we have to keep as baseline. So first I have taken 5 centimeter as base. Then on this point D we have to construct 90 degree angle. For that first we will put the first semicircle. Then first arc from here is 60 degree. Second arc from this point is 120 degree. And now we will bisect 60 and 120 because 90 will come in between 60 and 90. So from 60 one arc and from 120 another arc. This point, wherever these two arcs will cancel each other, that we will join to D. This is angle 90 degree. And then this line DF is 3 centimeter. So we will take 3 centimeter distance in our compass. And with this distance we will put one arc. And this arc wherever it will cut, that is point F. And this point we will join to E. Mention here measurement, this is 90 degree, this is 3 centimeter. Next question number 9, construct an isosceles triangle in which equal sides are 6.5 centimeter and the angle between them is 110 degree. Measure the base angle. So two sides are equal. If suppose first one is 6.5, another one also 6.5, and angle between them is 110. This angle is 110. This is also 6.5. This like this our triangle will come, and you have to measure the base angle. Base angle means this angle and this angle. This we have to measure. In isosceles triangle, these two sides are equal, so these two angle also will come equal, and these we will call the base angle. Now we can name this figure A, B and C. So first BC 6.5 centimeter we will draw. And 110 we have to construct. 110 we cannot construct with the help of compass, so we will use here protractor. Keep your protractor. This baseline you have to match with this line, and starting point should be here with this cross. Now we'll measure angle. Start from this side 0, 10, 20, 80, 90 and 110. So here 110 will come. Then this line is also 6.5 centimeter. So take 6.5 centimeter distance in your compass and put one arc. Wherever this arc will cancel, that point you have to join here. And this point is A. This is 6.5 centimeter. This angle was 110 degree. Now this angle and this angle we have to measure. So for that again we will take our protractor. This any one line we have to match with this. You can see here this angle is coming 35 degree. Another side if we measure, it will come same. You can see this is also coming 35. So this angle is also 35. So we can write here base angle is equal to both are coming 35 degree. Next question number 10. Construct triangle XYZ if it is given that XY is equal to 6 cm, angle X is 30 degree and angle Y is 100 degree. So baseline is XY, one angle 30 and one angle 100 degree. So first we will draw 6 cm. Now on X we have to construct 30 degree angle. So 30 degree, first we will construct 60 degree. First semicircle, and this is 60 degree. Then we will bisect 60 from 0 one arc and from 60 another arc. Wherever these two arcs will cancel each other, that point we have to join with X, and this is 30 degree angle. Now on Y we have to construct 100 degree. So 100 degree also we cannot construct with the help of compass. So we will use here protractor. Keep your protractor, match this line with this and then mark the 100 degree. And join this to Y. Till here is enough. This point is Z. This angle is 100 degree. Next question number 11. Construct a triangle PQR given that PQ equal to 4.9 centimeter. Angle P is 45 degree and angle Q is 60 degree. And measure angle R. So figure will come like this. PQR we have to draw this 45 and this is 60 and here 4.9. So from baseline we will start. First 4.9 centimeter we will draw. Then on P we have to construct 45 degree angle. For that first we will construct 90 degree. For 90 degree first semicircle. First arc is 60 degree. second arc is 120 degree, and when we will bisect 60 and 120 we will get 90 degree. Because 90 degree is not here our main angle, so this line we will draw with the help of dot by dot. Now this point is 90 degree and this point is 0 degree. Always for bisecting point we have to take from this semicircle. So from 0 degree we will put one arc, and from 90 degree another arc. This point is for 45 degree. So 45 degree line we will draw. Then on Q we have to construct 60 degree. For 60 degree first semicircle. Then from here first arc. This first arc is 60 degree. We will join this point. This is point R. Right here 45 degree. This is 60 degree. And this angle we have to measure also. So keep your protector over that, any one line as a base and another you can measure. So you can see it is coming after 70 and it will come 75. So this angle is 75 degree. Can write here angle R is equal to 75 degree. Next, question number 12. Construct a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 6 cm and one of its leg is 4 cm. So hypotenuse means the side opposite to 90 degree. So it figure will be like this. This side which is opposite to 90 degree, right angle means it is right angle triangle. This angle is 90 degree. This side is here 6 cm, and these two sides we will call the leg of triangle, right angle triangle. So one leg is given 4 cm, so that 4 cm we will take as base. So our figure will come like this. First we will draw the baseline 4 cm. And then on B we will construct 90 degree angle. So for 90 degree angle, first put the semicircle. First arc is 60 degree, second arc is 120, and when we will bisect 120 and 60 we will get the 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Now this third side, this is 6 cm, so we will take 6 cm distance in our compass. And this from C we will put one arc. Wherever this arc will cancel this, that is the point A, and this point we will join to C. So all the construction of this exercise over. Hope you understood these constructions. Practice it again and again. Thank you for watching this video.